Hey everyone, welcome to the Tech Basis channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change Slack channel name with step by step. Renaming a Slack channel can help to keep your workspace organized and make it easier for team member to find the right channel. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Slack and go to the channel you want to rename. Step 2. Click on the channel name at the top of the screen. Step 3. Click on Edit Channel Name. Step 4. Enter the new name for the channel. Step 5. Click Save to save the new channel name. That's it. Now the channel has a new name, making it easier for your team member to find and access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment below. See you next time.